All from nursery school.
There's Uncle Bobby! Woo! He's a happy man! And Christian, back after 15 years!
Yes?
And then we got the other boat! Now there's a little bit of bounce to my camera skills when you're sitting on the bow. Johnny says no lake trout. There's the other slower boat. Boot.
That's tough to do by yourself.
Kevin and Corey. So we have to narrate a little bit to tell Christopher and Peter what we're doing. See, Christopher and Peter, there's no way to go up that waterfall. So we have to go up the train tracks. That's what Christopher and Peter are excited about, is that a boat that goes on train tracks, you know, anything with a train.
I didn't know the show it. I will. Hold on. Let me.
You gotta swim like the fishes. That's nice. So you want to keep them then?
Oh yeah. We need 3 of these boys.
How'd he hit?
Like a ton of bricks.
How many inches do you think he is?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's a big one. He's not huge, but he's a nice one.
He fought well.
He's a live one. He's good. He's a good one. I knew when he hit.
Yeah, that's one of the better ones I've seen out of here. Let me digitally enhance him for everybody back home. I'll get a digital picture here when you're ready, that we can show everybody later. You guys on tape.
Wait till he's all the way up. Wait till he's all the way up. Get him. Yes. Excellent job. Matt, that's a good one. Yep. Pliers? Pliers.
Right there. Nice job. Let's see him, Uncle Bob.
Nice.
Nice job. Very nice fish. It's running now. Holy East Jackfish weed bed. Brian and Bob and the fisherman Mike. First fish of the day. Yeah, don't lose him though. Let's measure him, boy.
Look at that.
Brian, the guide. He's going to guide his ass, he said. Whoops, I shouldn't say that.
Thank you. Do this now, Bumpa.
Should I dock over on this side right here?
Okay.
Here, dock right here?
Sure.
That's where we took lunch today, guys. Jerry picked it out. He said, that's the spot. That's where I'm going to eat. Beautiful lake. This is,
Looks like we got a storm coming in too.
this here is jackfish. And the storm coming in, yes. We need more water.
Yeah. Yeah, really.
And those are the disappointed gulls.
Look to the right. We're going. Look at this. This is fucking hilarious. Hey, it's the no wake zone.
Roll your window down.
Dude, fucking wait. Look at this asshole.
It's not 2 lanes.
Yeah, no passing. Yeah, no passing there. Alright, that was easy.
Yeah, it is. Man, that is freaking deep.
I'm gonna kick back up just a little bit. I'm gonna move this over, Bob. Now try it. Go ahead. Go. 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 What's there? You're okay now, you're on.
What's the fishing like?
We're crawling too fast.
I thought you got boats here at Ross's camp.
Getting deeper now.
Yeah.
Car would not make it right here.
No.
It was below this little fender thing I've been watching.